As promised, sharing my version of my creamy Crockpot hot chocolate. Warm hearts and hands with a cup of this decadent hot cocoa. This is definitely a must try this holiday season. I've been getting questions over the years about this Crockpot, and it's by the brand Bella, and I got it from JCPenney over 12 years ago. It looks brand new because I only bring it out for special occasions. I found a link for you guys to purchase it, but they don't have it in the popular color white any longer, only in black that I know of. But if you guys happen to find it, share it with your cousins in the comments. Let's get into this creamy hot cocoa recipe. I'm adding 8 cups of whole milk and a half a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I got the good kind, but you can certainly use what you have, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and this is the game changer, sweetened condensed milk. Stir occasionally because you don't want the chocolate chips to get all clumped together. I like my milk a little lukewarm before adding the chips to give it a little head start. Cocoa powder, 1 cup. I really could have used only a half a cup on the cocoa powder, but everyone liked it, so I may not change it. Stir it in really well. The hotter it gets, the more it would all melt together. Put it on low heat for 2 hours, making sure you stir occasionally. If you missed my Christmas morning coffee station video, I'll have it linked below in my description. I also have a drawer filled with everyone's favorite cocoa toppings, and you can get all of these items from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls. Once you ladle this creamy decadent hot chocolate into a mug, the rest is up to you. And if you're doing any camping this season, this would be the perfect crowd pleaser. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. And what would you do differently? I would love to know. And I want to thank you all for watching.